Hello, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add social media icon on Shopify footer section. Okay, so you can see this is my Shopify store homepage, and this is the footer section, and there is no social media icon. How can I add it? In this video, I will show you the process. So first of all, go to your Shopify admin panel. This is the Shopify dashboard. You can see admin.shopify.com, and then click the theme option and click the customize option, and click the footer section and scroll down, and you will see social media icons, and if you see it is unchecked, then just check it. Okay, so then click the theme settings and scroll down, and you will find the social media icons link. Okay, so first of all, I want to add Facebook. Here is my Facebook profile, and I want to put it here, and you will see the result here. Wait, and you can see the Facebook. Okay, so I will add the Instagram, and this is my Instagram account. Okay, so I will add it. Okay, paste here, and you will see the result is here. Wait, and you can see the Instagram account is here. So you can add your YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, Vimeo, and other social media icon on your footer section. So I added just two social media account, Facebook and Instagram. You can add more. Okay, so after put your all social media icons, then just click to save option, then it will be set. Okay, so let's go to our home page of the Shopify. Is it working or not? So this is our Shopify home page. Okay, so right now there is no social media icon. Now I will refresh it, and now you can see two social media icon. Now I will click here to check is it working or not. I will check it. Okay, now you can see my profile, Facebook profile, and now I will click the Instagram icon. Yes, it is working. You can see. So this is the easiest method to set up social media icon on Shopify footer section. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then click to the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.